Okay, this is bird pepper, a native pepper. It's edible to humans, but I plant it for the birds and the pollinators. It has little white flowers. So, once again, it doesn't look root bound, but when we wash it, there's a big surprise. There's like 9 plants in there. So, start at the top. This one's I'm just gonna break down because it's not really establishing in the soil, so it doesn't have the root basket all around it, even though there's like 9 plants. I'm focusing on spraying on the center and kind of wiggling the potting soil down. Now we're getting into the center where the plug was when they were rooting it. And you'll see the perlite, the little white rocky things. And now you can kind of see, like, oh, there's lots of little stems. So now to figure out how to break them apart, if I was swirling in a bucket, it would be slightly less violent. 1 plant. Two plants. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plants. So now I have to figure out where to put 7 plants. They'll do a lot better like this than they would have if they were all trapped together.